Hi, my name is Agata and I am going to show you how to make your own candle. You are now a proud owner of do-it-yourself candle art kit and it contains one glass container, 2 colors of wax, 1 wick. I also have a plastic spoon and just a bamboo skewer to help me with the design. So that's something you can get yourself from your kitchen. So you are going to start with the wax. All you have to do is just place it inside, layer by layer. Seriously, your imagination is your limit. I like my layers pretty thin, so I'm just going to put a few spoons of white. Now just a few spoons of black. I specifically chose 2 contrasting colors so you can easily see what I'm doing. And I'm going to cover the entire white with black. You can shake it off just a little bit to make it even. Have fun with it. Don't rush. Okay. So these are just layers. You can tilt the glass to make it at an angle. If you have any lumps, just try to remove them with your spoon. So now I'm holding it at an angle, and I'm going to put the white layer on top of it. So you can see the effect. I also like to use the bamboo skewer to make little streaks. So you can just push it down, then straight up. Push it down. I hope you can see it. So this is what the bamboo skewer is for. We make layers, with a little streak with layers. Let me put some more of the white. And just make the layers until you have your candle all the way full. Have fun with it. This is supposed to be very relaxing. And of course you can use your candle when you're done. Just be careful when you transport it. Remember, this is just paraffin wax, so it's loose. You can't really tilt it, put it upside down. But once you light the candle, then it will melt all the way down. There you go, just a few more layers. I'm going to use the bamboo skewer to make a design again. Hopefully you can see it. Alright, just a few more layers. probably getting close to being done with the wax. Make sure to leave a little bit of room on top. Okay, even it out. Leave about 1/4 of an inch from the top. So now your candle is pretty much finished. But you're missing one thing, you're missing a wick. If your wick is very soft, that means it's probably warm outside. You might want to put it in the fridge for a moment, so it's easier to put it inside. Or you can use the bamboo skewer to make a small hole, make some room for it, and then you can put the wick inside. Alright, there you go, voila. Enjoy. Please send us some photos if you can, either to your advisor, or you can share them with everything but the Mime, M-I-M-E. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.